What an honor it is to love you in this way, to this magnitude, so purely. We shared so many things during our fireside chats about our future and what it would look like. And here we are. We didn't know it was us. And it's so much more than I could have ever hoped for. And I'm honored that we fell into each other so purely and simply perfect. From this day forth, I get to hold you, and we get to sleep and wake up together in such a restful, wonderful thought. I'm yours and you're mine. Together is wonderful. My prayer is that we have a long, healthy life together. But we both know the reality of this. It's so out of our control. Watching you care for Ed and love him and your kids and everyone around you is and was amazing. I can't wait to experience life with you in our new collective family. The Elastians, the Ellis Austins, the Austin Ellis clan, whatever we are, whatever we're called. As we begin a new chapter together, better is a daily thing, never really to be reached, but that we always are reaching for. You are always looking for ways to grow, improve, learn, challenge, and lean into the hard. That's the better. Always taking a step forward, and it's better because of you. Figuring out all the things that we are going to stumble through, fumble on, miss, overlook, screw up, life. The unpredictable. And then we recover. Together. We, us. You make heart a blessing. You love beyond the heart of life and push through everything this side of heaven. I can't believe that I get to love you, no matter what, for the rest of my life.
Okay. Andy, you are the answer to a prayer that I had not yet spoken. I knew right from the start that I didn't love you because it was the easy answer, not because you were there. I love you because everything about you is a gift to me. I love you for your desire and efforts to honor Lee as the man you became as her husband and as the father of your children together. I see you fight for that legacy, and I'm honored by it as her friend. You make me feel strong and respected and beautiful and smart and capable and funny every day. We've talked a lot about how doing the hard things together is something we do well. I really wish that wasn't our story, but it is. Walking through the hard stuff gives me such confidence in who we are as we move forward. There's no one I'd rather walk through the hard stuff with. I love how we are able to talk about Lee and Ed and feel strengthened by that and not diminished by it. I love that we both know unequivocally that they shaped us into people who are capable and worthy of this kind of love. I know how incredibly blessed I am to be loved by you. I'm grateful that I get to watch you parent your kids and learn from it. It's one of the very best things you do. My prayer is that we have a very long, loving, funny, steadfast, and adventurous future, because you are the answer to all of those spoken and unspoken prayers. I promise to be faithful to you alone all of our days. I promise to trust you. And most of all, I promise to be your partner in all things. And I do think that we are the luckiest unlucky, and I love you the most.
I love you.
Because of your love and commitment to each other, and because of the authority of God and the power invested in me, I pronounce you husband and wife. What God has joined together, let no one separate. Andy, you may kiss your bride.